Dumpling. You can't see its face though.
Why?
Because.
Why?
It's ultra rare.
Because it's ultra rare. Like, you can't even look at it until you accept.
Oh, I will add a sugar squish dog.
But you're gonna have to add. I already told you this is ultra rare.
It's a white dumpling. You need to accept that.
Because what is this? A balloon dog?
No, actually, you add.
No. Smallest Nito. How about that?
Weirdo.
Excuse me? You want to speak up?
Yeah.
What? Okay. Okay.
Hurry up.
Accept.
Why?
Because I want those.